Good day, Miss Fiel Fräulein. Can you please tell me about yourself?
Yes, have a good day. I'm Fiel Fräulein A. Cabrera III, living here in Philippines at my age of 50, and I don't have husband and siblings. That's it.
Do you have any kids?
I don't have kids.
Okay. Tell me about your educational background.
I'm finished for non-vocational education, computer technician for 2 years, 2020, 14 and 15 in Sito Pasay, Naga City.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I have work and experience in abroad for more than 3 years in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, for working inside the house all around, taking care, washing clothes, cooking, and others, and so on. Thank you.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am honest and multitasker worker, and my flexibility to people is being good and kind.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, do you have any tattoo in your body?
I don't have any tattoo.
Okay. Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Yes, for gallbladder removal, open surgery.
Okay. Why do you want to work abroad?
Working abroad for me is to grow my work development, to experience different cultures and traditions.
Okay.
That's it.
So, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, I love pets.
Okay. So, give me your idea, how can you take care of a naughty children and children with tantrums?
Okay. Children with tantrums is normal, but taking care of them is give the best for children loving and give them a suitable love so that they understand why they are crying and naughty.
Okay. So, lastly, what is your message to your future employer?
So my future employer, if you have me, I promise you, I give my best to you, my honest and heartwarming workers to you, and my multitasking. And if you have rules and regulation, I follow as the piece of our relationship inside the house as your worker. And I thank you.
Okay, thank you.